What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG. As you can see, we got something different on the table. We got the Glasswarrior screen protector. Now, this is a screen protector from a company called Benks. You know, I done did a lot of cases with them, so we trying that screen protector for the S25 Ultra. And if you take a look, a lot of things, it's a lot of good stuff on this box about the screen protector. So, okay, so with this case, we got HD clarity and transparency, we got enhanced explosion proof, and we got scratch resistance. Take a look at the back, it's even more strengthened dust proof, so keep that dust away. We got strong anti-fingerprint, I like that. Full coverage protection, smooth hand sensation, responsive touch, and enhanced impact resistance. Maybe that's what they should have put on the front instead of putting it was enhanced explosion proof on the front. So we're just gonna open it up like so and get everything out of the packaging. Please let it have a frame. Please let this thing have a frame. As you can see, we got some Benks paperwork. Oh, this is actually a sticker, guys. So I got a nice Benks sticker. And we got it's a frame, guys. It's a frame. I like when they got the frame because I'm not good at lining screen protectors up. And it looked like we just got the whole cleaning kit. So, okay, guys, so we got some instructions on this one. Basically, we got to clean the screen. Then we have to basically apply the top part. When we apply the top part, we're going to pull tab 1 out. And then when we finish with tab 1, we apply, I guess, like the second half, like push it down completely on the display and then pull tab 2 out. Now, I'm going to keep it real with y'all guys. This Benks screen protector worked really well. The application wasn't too, it was just a little bit. You had to read to make sure that you knew first you halfway applied pull tab 1, then you all the way applied pull tab 2. And I mean, I got a nice installation, guys. I love a screen protector that's actually a tempered glass screen protector with a frame. And I haven't even reset every time I do a tempered glass screen protector, I reset my fingerprint. But even with this one, I haven't reset my fingerprint, but we good to go. So definitely a nice screen protector. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life from out. Peace.